Welcome to Best Brains Quiz. Please subscribe.
Today I bring to you a delicious food quiz. Guess the country by its food. Are you ready? All right, let's play.
First question. Sushi is from which country? Japan is correct. Paella. It's from Spain. Kimchi. South Korea. Tacos is from which country? Mexico.
Poisson.
France. Pizza margherita. It's from Italy. Jollof rice. Nigeria. Haggis. Scotland. Goulash. Hungary. Pierogi. Poland. Pho. Vietnam. Poutine. Canada. Currywurst. Germany. Falafel. Egypt. Pad Thai. Thailand. Ceviche. Peru. Baklava. Turkey. Dim sum. Dim sum is from China. Sauerbraten. Germany. Injera with Doro Wan. Ethiopia. Feijoada. Brazil. Fish and chips. England. Moussaka. Greece. Beef stroganoff. Russia. Churros is from which country? Spain. Rendang. Indonesia. Hot dog. United States.
Shawarma.
Lebanon. Couscous. Morocco. Smørrebrød. Denmark. Luxor. Malaysia is correct. Bulgogi. South Korea. Kebab. Turkey. Tom yum soup. Thailand. Wiener Schnitzel. Austria. Arepas. Venezuela. Samosa. India. Bannock. Canada. Colcannon. Ireland. Borscht. Ukraine. Cassoulet. France. Kimball pie. Kimball pie originates from England. Chimichurri steak. Argentina. Bunny chow. South Africa. Hajapuri. Georgia. Nasi goreng is from which country? Indonesia. Adobo. Philippines. Empanadas. Argentina. Tamales. Mexico. Okonomiyaki. Japan. Which country owns Mandazi? Kenya is correct. Clam chowder. United States. Satay. Malaysia. Fufu with soup. Ghana. Sipalinai. Lithuania. Rakfist. Norway. Pavlova is from which country? New Zealand. Capsalon. Netherlands. Goy Kuon. Vietnam. Dolma. Armenia is correct. Thanks for watching. How many country foods were you able to guess correctly? Leave your answers in the comment section. Please, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Pick your next challenge. See you in the next video.